Scrapbook.com, and we are looking at some We Are Memory Keepers storage options. They have some really amazing storage available for crafters of all kinds, from bags, paper trays, to this really amazing brand new embellishment holder. It took me a second to figure out how to work this, not because it's difficult to work by any means, but because it looks like magic. So what you do is you turn, it looks like kind of like a cake, a tiered cake. You turn this top flower and it opens all of your embellishment drawers. I can't get over it. And then you just turn it the other way to close. So easy open, easy close. This is really cute because it can go on a desk space and it's pretty small. And then you can just go ahead and open it up and you can stick your brads, your beads, your rhinestone, your washies in the bigger compartment. It's really perfect for any little item that you want to store. And because it closes up so easily, you can move it from table to table without having different lids, moving in different places, worrying about spilling, stuff like this. So this is the We Are Memory Keepers. It's their new Bloom embellishment storage. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!